Hi everyone, you're watching Forex, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys results of trading gold fully automatically with EA. So Forex line traders, you know guys, the EA which I use in my daily manual trading. So I use it as a semi-auto. So this month, unfortunately, we had a loss. Yes, guys. So like I have told you that I always telling you the truth and giving you the results wherever they are positive or negative. And that's why, guys, I was saying to you, I don't really like to use EA fully automatically. Well, pretty much any EAs. Because things can happen, and this month, you know, these days gold is having like really big spreads and slippages, so that's why it didn't work well for this month. You see, guys, we had a loss. I'm going to show you $1,878. Well, it is actually with all the profitable trades and the losing trades, so that's what it's ended up this month. That's the reality. So you know, these things happens. I mean, in forex trading, you can have good months, you can have bad months. Well, we better to see result at the end of the year, let's say that way. But that's what happens. I mean, I had 5 years of back testing results, and it was perfect. But you see, they you have fixed spread. It actually works better with this fixed spread, but there is no pretty much. Well, there are some brokers which offer in fixed spread, but pretty much you have flexible spread, and that's why in a situation like this it's growing up and not giving a good result. Except, well, so let's just see what happened, guys. So you know, that's what I just pointed out. The lot size, it's not using exactly martingale. It's like martingale system. It increases the lot size, but it's more like an averaging at the same time. So, but anyway, I didn't place the limit because in the year you can place a limit. And I thought I will leave it as it is and see how big it can grow. So when it went to 269, I have decided I will switch it off because it was very big. Except if I actually left it running, it probably would have closed with profit. But I was worried that the market will be more jumping up and down, and the lot size will grow, and it will blow the whole account. So I thought, okay, 1,000, 2,000 I can lose, but not the whole the money which we have on this account. So that was all the point, to check it out if it's going to work in the today's condition on the market on the real account. So it was working fine for 3 months, and you see this month September was not very successful. So right now I put the limit there up to one lot. So if it will grow again up to one lot, then it can go close another loss possibly, then I'm going to completely switch it off. I will give it still another go and see if it will recover. We still have a year, right? It's only been running for 3 months. So you see now, guys, pretty much the lot size was not growing very big, except at one moment I saw the situation. Of course, if I would be using it manually, at least to check it out what is going on, and then I maybe switch it off at some point and move the stop, then yeah, but and then it would be cheating, right? So it's not fully automatically, because I said I'm going to have hands-free, and then we will see how it goes. So you see, completely hands-free, it's more riskier, right? So then instead of really watching it, and sometimes maybe just you want to turn off the EA, or you want to move like stop or something else. But when you completely fully auto, it's quite, that's what can happen, you see, guys. And right now, it is still, at this moment, you see, this is what we have floating. So it's in another trade, and it's also, you see, the lot size right now is 0.05, and it's recovering. I mean, of course, maybe I should look at the settings and change them a bit, but I thought I would leave them as it is, because I actually apply the same settings on the other account with a different broker, and I have different results. So I didn't have a loss there to that point. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that different brokers will have different results. And I also have people who is using the CA on gold, and they are saying they had perfectly fine. They didn't get into such trouble as I did with this account. So we will see, because with the other broker I'm using it only September. So you see, that's why I thought maybe something happened in here and we got into this bad trade. That's why let's go through this month and see how like other months will work, and we'll see how the other broker also will work. Okay, and it's exactly the same settings, and then I guess I can make a conclusion that maybe it was just like you see this the big spread or slipperage or something, and it caught me into this position. So, but that's the reality, guys. So I wanted to share it with you, of course. And now I'm going to show you proven by Facebook. You see, that's our account, which has been running for a while, which you can track. There is a link in the description, and that's where we had the good months. The one free, I thought like, you know, stable free something percent would be really good. Remember, I increased a little bit lot size. The lot size was with 0.02, then I increased it to 0.04, but that's all the changes I made. And we had a good also 69% in August. It was really good result, and you see this month September it's minus 20%. So yeah, a bit disappointing because it pretty much wiped out the whole 3 months of the profit. Well, guys, these things happen. You have to know this. You see, I don't think many people can show you something like that. They will always show you best and wonderful results, and not me. Okay, on my channel I will only show you and tell you the reality, how it works and what you can expect. So, well, let's see, because okay, we have, you see, from started completely with only gold. It was, I think, starting with June, right? Let's just see. It's at the only gold. No, I had still like dollar Canadian there, you see, running in pound New Zealand. So I guess it was from July. So that's why it's only fully with gold. Yes, we started from July. So that's why I would give it still a run up for the whole year to actually see the result, because okay, 1 month we might have minus 20%, but the rest of it maybe will be profitable, and at the end of the year it might still close with profit. We will see. But like I'm saying, now I placed a limit. Okay, so before I had up to like it was standard settings and 5 lots. Now I decreased it to 1 lot. Okay, so let's see how October will turn, and I will share with you the results again, guys. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, of course, and if you like video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more interesting videos with trading and analysis, and of course join Telegram. That would be better to receive fast updates from me. Okay, Telegram is Jana FX. So happy trading, everyone, and I see you in my next video. Bye.